Okay, so now we're going to do standard algorithm. So we're doing number 5. I'm going to set this up, and I like to stack them on top of each other. So we have 1/2 plus 2/5. And again, we're going to try and get these denominators to be the same. So we're going to make a T-chart. And we write our multiples. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. And then we have 10. And I stop at 10 because I know that 10 is going to be my factor. 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. So our factors, or our denominators, are now going to turn into tens. Okay. So in order to get this to be a 10, and for us to get this to be a 10, we have to do some multiplication. And so we just multiply it by the factors. So to get 2 to be, or to turn our 2 into a 10, we have to multiply by 5. So this is 2 times 5. So whatever we do on the bottom, 2 times 5 equals 10, we have to do at the top. So we're going to multiply the top by 5. And 1 times 5 is 5. Next over here, in order to get this to be a 10, we have to multiply by 2. So 5 times 2, this was a 2 here. And whatever we do on the bottom, we have to do on top. So 2 times 2, sorry, my 2 looks a little janky, is 4. And now we can go and add these numbers together. So 5 plus 4 is 9. And our denominator stays the same. And just like the other video, we don't have to go and simplify this because 9/10 is already simplified. All right, I'm going to do this next problem here. So we have 1/3, and we have 5/6, and we're adding. We're going to make our T-chart with 3 and 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. I stopped there. 6 times 1 is 6. So we're going to turn both of our denominators into 6s. All right. So they're both going to be 6s. On this side, to get this to be a 6, we multiply by 2. Whatever we do on the bottom, we have to do on top. So we're going to multiply the top by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Down here, to get our 6 to stay a 6, we have to multiply by 1. And you don't have to do this step if you're multiplying by 1, but I like to do it just so I can remember it. Okay, so 6 times 1 is 6, and 5 times 1 is 5. Now we can add these two together. Did I do that right? 1/3, 5, 6, yes. All right, and then 2 plus 5 is 7, and our denominator is a 6. It's improper, so we have to convert this into a mixed number. 6 goes into 7 one whole time. 1 times 6 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And so our whole number is a 1. Our denominator stays a 6. And our numerator was a 7. It was a 7. And now we have remaining a 1. So our answer is 1 and 1/6. And this one was 9/10. And so this is how you do it using standard algorithm. If you need me to practice with you some more, I can. Just let me know. And that's it. Oh, one last thing. Also, this also works with subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. So you can do this on adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. It works on both the bow tie method and using the standard algorithm.